Wow, did you guys just watch Formula Drift? Because I know I did, and it was awesome. A lot of sick battles. Asbo, you definitely deserve that win. That was outstanding driving, and Force Wang, congratulations on getting back in the game, bro. So I'm in the garage. Got some nice Ovation tires in the garage now, so it's kind of a little motivating. Let's start working on the Lexus, getting the engine in this weekend, and we're gonna be drifting real soon. I'm gonna have to get the drive shaft measured up once the engine's in, but other than that, it's gonna be a couple of wires and vroom vroom, motherfuckers. Out on the track real soon. But I can tell you one thing, the little new Corolla thing in Majiggy that's kind of like the Evo, I'm stoked and I'm really pumped, and I really want to get the Evo out for you guys as soon as possible. So, alright guys, so we're about an hour after I had just left you guys, and I just got to work, so this is where I'm at. Woo! The engine is in the car! Man, that blue really looks good though, I gotta admit. What do you guys think about that? I'm not planning on keeping it blue, but damn. This is actually Evo X blue. So engine went in, super good. Look at the clearance I have for the brake masters. It's amazing. It's amazing. Clutch master, whole bunch of clearance. Now I'm gonna have to figure something out with the gas. I kind of want to undo the line all the way to the tank and put it on the other side. Because obviously this car was Jay-Z powered before, so it was on this side, now it's on this side. If somebody has a strut bar, I kind of want to add a strut bar. You know? Give it a little bling bling, you know what I'm saying? Especially with that big, fat, juicy sway bar. That's my box of beam stuff right there. Got my ECU, wiring harness, throttle body, all my etc. stuff. Next step would be to take my drive shaft, install it in the tail of the transmission, and measure how long we need. This week I'm gonna show you guys how to measure your drive shaft length and what exactly you need to do to get your custom. This isn't really custom, I could just buy a stock drive shaft, but custom drive shaft, how to do it. So show you guys that. I also need to cut out some plates that I'm gonna put here and tack weld, just cover up those holes so I don't have any problems at tech or anything. I installed the shifter, and I'm gonna take apart the handbrake. I already started taking it apart. The reason is 1 to 6 is good. When I try to put it in reverse, here I'll show you guys. Thing gears up. Right now I can put it, but the handbrake is it actually sits like this, so it sits about like this. So when I try to put it in reverse, it's not gonna work. So I gotta move the handbrake assembly to the other side, which I'm gonna have to get John to cut off the tabs and re-weld them on the other side. I'm sorry I didn't really do much this week in this video. I know it was just basically like, I'm gonna drop the engine in. Here's my engine dropped in. Basically what happened was I started kind of a new job, if you want, because I was working sales on Hyundai, and you need like a license and stuff. So they asked me, since I didn't have my licensing yet and I hadn't gone to pass my test, if I wanted to be trained for parts manager. So it's more money, why not? I like parts, work with the garage and stuff, it's a lot better for me. Got my parts from iRace this past Friday. I was missing one T-bolt clamp and the proper vibrant fitting, which I've already installed. It's good. I'd have to send this back to Matt's. The link of his website is going to be right here on the screen. Really good Canadian prices. Free shipping after I think $150 if I'm not mistaken. And they have some financing. So I believe they have financing. I know they have financing on the Cosmis Canada wheels, because that's his other website that he takes care of. You guys can definitely hit him up, and I'll give you good prices. It's just to let you guys know that there might not be a video next week, or a really short one again. The reason being is my girlfriend had a hockey tournament this weekend, so I kind of got like my day cut in half yesterday, and today I was just really tired. I'm not gonna say it's my girlfriend. Last night after a hockey game, she went with her friend to to Ottawa for another hockey game. So that's why after FD I decided to go in the garage, and I was in the garage till about 1 a.m. and then went to bed around 2 and then got up early. It's not really an excuse, but yeah, that's pretty much what happened. Is I slept in and then I was lazy on the couch all day playing NHL 18. By the way, if you guys play NHL 18, add me on PSN. My PSN will be right here. Hit me up. We can play some video games together. Also, next weekend I'm in a hockey tournament again, about 2 hours from here. It's actually where Fred's girlfriend lives. So that's one of the reasons next weekend is like, I got nothing. I'm gonna try and work on the car after work since I finish at 5. Basically my schedule is from 8 to 5 now instead of like 10 to 6 and what was it? It was 12 to 8. So you get home and it's like, yeah, I gotta go to bed. So now I finish at 5 o'clock. I'm back around 5:30, 6 o'clock. Also, my dad found me a trailer frame, so we're probably going to be buying that one since it's a pretty good price, and we just have to build the ramps, we have to build the fenders. I'm just going to buy pre-made fenders. And we also need to buy the boards on top. I was going to go enclosed, but then like the Lexus came up, and then I put the S14 for sale, and that lingered for a little bit too long, and I switched jobs and I got the Lexus. So it was like enclosed trailer or Lexus and getting the Evo running. So I got more money put in the Evo. The Evo is almost done. The Lexus is going to be done soon. I'm going to have that open trailer. It's going to be good. This one actually has brakes, newer tires. Yeah, so we're going to try and build a little trailer just to haul. I already started putting the Montero back together, putting the new coil springs in the back. I still need to get that hitch out. I believe the new trailer is 2 5/8 or something like that, or 3/8 or something, 5/16. I don't know. I just know that I need to take the hitch out. Then we have to fix the exhaust and the canister box and evap leak. So after that, that's going to be done. For the Lexus, I'm going to buy new coil plugs. I'm going to buy probably a set of spare coil packs, since for some reason this ECU on this car only runs a certain type of coil pack from Toyota. And the 3SGE beams, like red top, black top, or 3SGE non-turbo, it'll run these coil packs for some reason. Since it's an early model beams, they changed what coil packs you could use a little bit later on. I think it was 2001, if I'm not mistaken, or 1998. I'm sorry about the short video. Please comment down below, leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. If you guys want to help out the channel, you can check out the links down below. You can hit up my website, northsideproductions.ticktail.com. You can also hit me up on Patreon and support the channel that way. Just $1 a month, you know. That's all I'm asking. You know, it'll help with gas, buying parts, making shirts, and buying tires. It's just gonna help out the channel all around. Also, I want you guys to know that I love you guys. Without you guys, I wouldn't have continuous support of people messaging me on Instagram, Facebook, telling me like, hey, I really like your build, man, keep going. Can't wait to see this car on track, especially the Evo. It's like, man, I can't wait to see this thing rip. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.